Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm gonna visit the KTM service center to get some work done. Apparently I was facing some issue regarding the starter switch. I'm unable to start the bike when it's in gear, and it only operates when the bike is in neutral, so we'll have to get that fixed. And the second thing, the bike stalls sometimes when it's in first and the second gear. I think it's due to the fuel pipe, and any which ways they have a new full fuel pipe available, so we'll get that changed. And two more works to be done, like the software updates and few settings to the bike. So I'll share all these details in the video. The weather is quite good and I hope it doesn't rain till I get to the service center. KTM has recalled all the adventure bikes, 390 adventure, for the software update, which is mainly for the quick shifter. I don't face any issue regarding the quick shifter. It works perfectly fine above 4000 rpm. And the second change is the bolt which is on the brake caliper, the front bolt. They are getting it changed. And then the fuel pipe, I think that's one of the major reason because of which the bike is getting stalled in slow speed. So we'll try to get that rectified all in one service. And meanwhile guys, please show some support. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this if it's useful, or if any one of your friends, if they're having a 390 adventure. Okay, so I've reached the service center. This is the KTM SK Motors, which is in Chembur. I already took an appointment at 10. Okay, the bike got stalled again on the first gear. Okay, so he's removing the tank right now to replace the fuel pipe. This is the second thing to be fixed, the clutch switch. Here is the new fuel pipe, which comes pre-bent, and we also have the caliper bolts. This is the new caliper bolts. Okay, so the fuel pipe is replaced, and it's time for the caliper bolts now, which is around 5 mm longer than the old one. You can check the old and the new bolt. I'll attach the image in this video. Really? Okay, so I've got the work done. The caliper bolts are changed, and also the fuel pipe. The fueling is a lot better now because I was facing a lot of issues in the lower RPM. There was a little bit of jerk and the bike was getting stalled. and second gear. I think that is reserved right now because your bike is running smooth in low speed with the lower RPM. I'll have to test it for a few more kilometers. So I recommend you to get this done as soon as possible. Even if you are not facing any issues, you can get it changed. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, ride safe and